Guys, today we're talking about order of operations. Easy. You guys learned about it in middle school. Guess what word symbolizes? How do you remember the order of operations? What word do you keep in your mind? PEMDAS. PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses, the E for exponents, the M and the D for multiplication and division, and the A and the S for addition and subtraction. And how do you decide what to do first? Start up with that P. You see parentheses, you got to do whatever's inside the parentheses and simplify it first, all the way down to the end of the list. However, if you see multiplication or division in a problem, then whichever you encounter starting from the left and moving to the right, whichever you encounter first, that's the one that you do. Multiplication and division first, then addition and subtraction. So problem number 1, let's practice a little bit. Simplify. So suppose I give you 10 plus 8 divided by 2. What do you do first? What's up? Yeah, we've got to do the division first, right? PEMDAS. PEMDAS. And so 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? That's the one you do first. I know, that's real sneaky, right? And 10 plus 4 is how much? 14, and that's going to be our final answer. Of course, we're in high school now. We're going to step our game up a notch, right? It's never going to be that easy forever. Do me a favor. Make sure you put the 2 up high and make a little one. That's called an exponent. Don't give it a normal size, all right? Ooh, craziness. Absolutely, absolutely crazy. Absolutely. How do you say crazy? Bananas? No? Loco? Do people use that kind of like vocabulary? If I say that, will I be cool? Okay, all right, anyways. I've never been cool in my life, don't worry. Let's not start now. Let's not start now. Okay. Guys, where do we start? Is that what you're going to say? Nobody's got a calculator. Let's see if we can do it in our heads. We got to start with the exponents. Yeah. What is 4 squared? Are you sure? You're right. Yeah, 16. And then I'm going to write out all of my steps. Some people could do this a lot faster. Okay, but I'm going to show all my steps for anybody that wants to watch this and try and figure out like how we got from place to place. So now you got this next part written down, right? 4 squared is 16. What's the next thing that you do?
10 times 3.
10 times 3, because that's the, and how much is that?
30.
30, okay. And so there we go. We're going to write that 30 down, and we're going to keep the rest. Right? 16 plus 30 plus 5 minus 10. Now what do we do? Minus 10, right? We're going to do addition, subtraction from left to right. What's 16 plus 30? Which is what?
Oh, that's 41. 41? All right. 41. It's 41.
I think it's 40.
43.
46.
46.
Plus 5 is 51.
41. I was right.
Yeah. 41. Finally, last problem. Uh-oh. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy up in here. Oh. Hello. What is this nonsense? Okay, ready? I appreciate that. It's nice. Good. I'm a good poker player then. Maybe that's where it comes from. All right. So anyways, so let's get back to our problem at hand. So now this is absolutely crazy. Where do we start? And inside those parentheses, where do we start? Yeah, we got to start with this guy. So here we go. How much is 2 cubed? It's 8. It's 2 times itself 3 times. So that's going to be 8. And then I'm going to write the rest of them down. Yeah. Okay. Now what do? What's next?
8 plus 4.
Still. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to talk about, nobody yell out, is this. Now, this is going to come up in 3 years' time, really. You're going to learn more about this. But it turns out square roots are exponents. Taking the square root of something is like raising it to the 1/2 power. So now, what do you think you do next, since square roots are like exponents? We do the square root of 36. How much is the square root of 36? Yeah, square root of 36 is 6, my friends. 6. Oh, how do you figure it out? What times itself is 36? Uh-oh. Now, this is the real confusing part, right? What do we do? Good job. Yeah, 5 times 12. That's 60. What about now? Absolutely. These guys right here, which is 10. And then obviously, it's beautiful.